All right, Sean's got another one on. Another cat. A little bit bigger.
Yeah, it is. Oh, wow.
That's probably close to one of them 10-pounders.
Wow.